Who is Omar Martin from Master Affiliate Profits? You might have seen this picture before. Omar is on the far right, his wife Melinda is in the middle, and then John Thornhill is on the far left. So John is from the UK and the rest of the bunch are from Florida, and they have come together to create this system called Master Affiliate Profits, also known as MAP. So we'll be going over Omar Martin and how he transformed his life through digital marketing, and you can learn the secrets that could help you escape the 9 to 5 hustle for good. And if you stick to the end, I'm going to give you this free gift that will help you make passive income online. So who am I? My name is Charles Draven, and I've been building online businesses for well over a decade. When I got started online, I realized that it's very tough. I just had a kid and I was trying to run a traditional business and make a bunch of calls and go to a bunch of appointments. And I realized that it was very tough because things were set based on other people's schedule and not mine. And so I realized I needed a change. And what I did is that I looked at other business models and I realized that there was a bunch that were too complicated and some that were just not profitable. And so I realized that I had to keep on digging and digging. And then finally, I found a very simple business model. And that's what this channel is all about. It's all about what I talk about on Map Syndicate. And I help ordinary people make money online. And a quick disclaimer. I am a Master Affiliate Profits affiliate, which means that I earn commissions if you make purchases through my affiliate links, and this comes at no additional cost to you and helps support my channel. So who is Omar? Well, Omar is a man. He's a successful online entrepreneur, and he has taught a lot of things to help people learn a very simple approach to digital marketing. Along with his wife, Melinda, they have built this empire, 7-figure plus empire, and they just empower others to achieve financial independence. So what can you learn from Omar? Pretty much these valuable insights on how to effectively market products online, leveraging his experience to help others succeed in their own ventures. And why is his approach so unique? He makes it so simple. That is the big thing. It's extremely simple. And it makes it very accessible for especially beginners and experienced marketers alike. And that's what I truly value from his approach. I have learned from a lot of SEOs and paid advertisers that teach things in a very complicated way. And I think for that, there's a lot of things where people have to learn about statistics and learn how to analyze a bunch of data, especially if you're paying for ads. But Omar, he keeps it very simple, and I do highly appreciate that. What are his success stories? So he's been around for a long time. So whether you look at My Unfair Advantage or you look at Master Affiliate Profits, you'll see a lot of people that have their own success stories and have come from nothing, no experience in marketing, and started doing affiliate marketing through Master Affiliate Profits. And within days or weeks, they've been able to make some very good commissions, anywhere from like 3 to 4 figures. So that's actually a very cool thing, just seeing people just take what they learn and run with it and have some success. So what makes his program stand out? Omar emphasizes on the importance of building relationships and providing value, which sets his approach apart from many others in the industry. As I mentioned, I've been in this industry for quite a while, learning from other digital marketers, and some of them, they just are very mechanical where they have an offer that they create using extreme copywriting skills and then push it out in the marketplace, pay for ads, and then they're just looking at numbers, and the connection to the audience is minimal. They're just trying to look at their profitability. And for me, I think in this world of digital marketing, building connections is extremely crucial. It's probably the biggest difference compared to, like, let's say 20 years ago. And so how can you benefit online? By following Omar's methods, you can learn how to create a sustainable income stream that allows you to work from anywhere and enjoy more freedom in your life. So if you've been watching videos on my channel, you'll realize that I'm really into time, location, and financial freedom. That is my big thing. That's what I focus on. And so for you, just imagine if you could have this type of lifestyle and work on your own terms, set your own hours, and earn a substantial income, all while enjoying life on your own terms. That's what I truly think is what people want, but most people don't have. And I think that once you're able to have this life of freedom, if you make the decision to go for it and then do whatever it takes to achieve it, I believe having that lifestyle, it can help you immensely in having less stress, being able to have a more healthy life and do things on your own terms. That's my belief. And let's talk about some of the benefits of what I'm doing here, which is building a high ticket business, and it's something that you could apply as well. And the whole thing here is you focus on high ticket commissions, and that will help you build a business with fewer sales and make very good income. Again, if you compare products that are able to make, like, let's say 3 to 4 figures on up, compared to products that are earning you commissions of $1 to $3 a pop, it takes a lot of effort, a lot of work to be able to sell high volume of very cheap products. So the focus here for me is high commissions and less competition. So with fewer affiliates promoting high ticket items, that gives you a better chance to stand out. And then also there's increased value where high ticket products, they often come with added value, and they make this very, very appealing offer for your customers, because I'm sure that you have seen products that sell for like $5, maybe $10, $27, $47. And what's interesting is that I've communicated with the product owners, and they have, a lot of them have said that it's just been a very big headache because so many people will complain about something like maybe they didn't get enough material in their $4 product. Thing is that when you have customers that expect their lives to change overnight with a $4 product, it is a unrealistic mindset, especially if they think about it happening within days or even overnight. So when you acquire high ticket customers, customers that have purchased high ticket products, I should say, then it's different mindset. There are more people that are serious about their future, and they're not going to complain about products just because there was something that was missing in their $4 product. So very big difference. There's a lot of value being offered, especially through Master Affiliate Profits. And then with high ticket products, it helps you build long-term relationships, building stronger connections with your customers. And of course, that can help your business down the road. And if we look at financial freedom, the whole idea for me is to build financial location and time freedom. And so if you want to lock arms, if you want to go this direction, make sure you take the next step. And it's just all about picking up this free gift. I'm giving you a free gift, and check out the pinned comment below, and you'll learn more about Master Affiliate Profits. You'll learn more about high ticket, and you'll also learn more about what offer Omar Martin is offering to you and how you can learn from him and the team. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.